Understanding on a Scholarship, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, on a scholarship. This is a common phrase in English, especially in academic contexts. Whether you're planning to study abroad or just curious about English expressions, understanding this phrase will definitely enhance your language skills. So, let's dive in. The phrase, on a scholarship, refers to receiving financial support to study, typically at a college or university. When someone is on a scholarship, it means that their education is being funded either partially or fully by a scholarship grant. This grant could be based on academic achievement, financial need, athletic ability, or other criteria set by the scholarship provider. There are several types of scholarships that can put a student on a scholarship. Let's look at a few. 1. Academic scholarships, awarded based on academic performance. 2. Athletic scholarships, given to students excelling in sports. 3. Need-based scholarships, offered to students with financial need. 4. Community service scholarships, for students involved in community service. Each type has its own set of requirements and benefits. Let's see how to use on a scholarship in sentences. I am studying on a scholarship at Harvard University. She got on a scholarship due to her outstanding grades. Many athletes are on scholarships at top universities. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various contexts. Being on a scholarship is crucial for many students. It provides financial relief, reduces the burden of tuition fees, access to education, enables students from diverse backgrounds to pursue higher education, recognition and motivation, rewards hard work and encourages academic and personal growth. I hope this video helps you understand what being on a scholarship means and how significant it is in the realm of education. Remember, a scholarship can open doors to numerous opportunities and learning experiences. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the beautiful world of the English language.